Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the Discord verification required issue step by step. This message usually appears when Discord detects unusual activity or needs to confirm your identity. First, check your email inbox for a verification message from Discord and click the Confirm link. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Next, make sure your phone number is correctly added in User Settings under My Account. If required, complete the phone verification process carefully and enter the code exactly as received. If the problem continues, log out of all devices and log back in on one device only. You can also disable any VPN or proxy, since they sometimes trigger security checks. Finally, update the Discord app or reinstall it to remove corrupted data. In most cases, verifying your email or phone resolves the issue quickly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.